Part of the reason I went to Star was I'd heard a lot about their reputation for actual support, and both the machines that we bought from Star were supplied pretty much as a turnkey solution. They were supplied with programs already on them, the job's proven out, and we went up there and inspected the components. So when the machines landed on our shop floor, they were running straight away. Since then their support has been excellent as we've tried to do other components on the machines, and as I say, we're now doing a variety of F1 parts, but with their help, and hopefully we'll be buying more of them in the future.
We have a very close-knit relationship with Star GB. We rely heavily on their support. We also find them very, very cooperative in the way of helping us with the development of components as well. We rely on their experience in the marketplace to know how they can aid us getting through the problems and reaching a solution for not only ourselves but for our customers.
Well, the support from Star is superb. Right from the start, when we're looking for a new machine, helping us with the specification of the machine. Response is superb. I've got to say the service engineers are superb as well. But if I need someone here, they're here quick.
With Star, there's one or two individuals that we got to know initially, obviously from the sales team that came in. So from there afterwards, we spoke to their technical guys, and they actually came down and put those bespoke parts through all the processes on the machine that we were going to buy. You know, rather than just doing trials on what the machine's capabilities are, it was actually producing for us, so we weren't going to be losing out. Star have been very good. We've been allowed to ring them up whenever they want. We've had a few more days extra training to learn about, you know, back turning and different items that the Star can do, and they've been excellent. Can't complain.
The feedback we got from Star, very positive, very helpful. You know, couldn't do enough for us when we wanted to find out more and more details about these machines.
Medical parts are the ultimate, if you like, in terms of the quality control, and it's, you know, Star has helped us win more business like this in the medical business. I've been very pleased with the customer service, and there was one occasion where we needed a part urgently, and the MD of Star met me halfway and delivered me, you know, a part I needed to get the machine up and running in a hurry. You know, and you don't get many companies that'll meet you halfway up the motorway at 8 o'clock at night to keep you going for that shift. So I've been very pleased in all of that aspects too.
We've always had a good relationship with Star, and I do feel from a personal point of view, we're not just an account number, we're actually an individual who requires attention. I do like the ethos on customer care. They seem to make the right noises, and when we've asked them to jump, they've leapt, which, you know, for a small business like us, that's the sort of support we need, really.
Anything I've asked Star to do, they've come back and within a fairly short time and helped us out with a program or with something we might have a bit of advice on, you know, how would you do this or etc. We've asked them once or twice to look at a drawing we were asked to quote on, and they've come back with a cycle time which we thought we might have needed help on that one because it was quite complex, but that they were there if we needed them.
There's one particular job that's a rotator in the medical. Originally it used to take us about 64 minutes, floor to floor, but that was for about 7 different operations. We're now doing it in one hit in 34 minutes. The beauty of that is, okay, it's 30-minute saving, but we've got 1 setup instead of 7 setups now. And the accuracy and the productivity we're getting on that particular job is very pleasing at the moment.
When we first started with Star, none of the guys knew anything at all about CNC, programming, whatever. You know, they really kind of held our hand in the early days. We've got 2 apprentices on site now that are using the Star training, and hopefully they'll develop the way we want them to develop. We use Star for servicing, we always have done. We get built-in service of them. Star sort of set a standard that not many get up to.